Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew here from Extreme Customs. We're going to give you the scoop on everything you need to know about the AODHAN DS01. Now, our display size today is a 19 by 10.5 with a 22 offset, and we're looking at the vacuum chrome with the gold rivet finish. So let's talk about the wheel construction. This is going to be a one-piece gravity casted wheel. Now, AODHAN does actually do some other wheels in the Flowform style, but typically they're just offering cast wheels. This particular style, very cool. One of those wheels that looks a little more vintage with that three-piece look to it, kind of that BBS looking style. But you know, the cool thing about AODHAN is they actually have an affordable wheel. So not everyone, of course, is going to be in that market to scoop up a set of custom three-piece rotiforms or BBS wheels. So that's where these guys come into the market, and they're able to offer a great affordable wheel, you know, at an excellent price point. So with that being said, you're looking at a little over $800 up to a little over $1,000, depending on if you get the 18 or 19-inch size. So let me run through those really quick. So for 18s, you're going to see 8.5, 9.5, and then 10.5 wides. So very cool because you're able to run a square setup or run a staggered setup. So depending on what kind of vehicle you need, you can run a really aggressive wheel with that big 10.5 in the back, giving you that monster lip if that's the look you're going for. Now, if you jump up to the 19-inch application, you're going to see 19 by 9.5 and then just 19 by 10.5. Offsets are going to vary. You have offsets in the 15s, 20s, and 30s. So a little bit more aggressive offsets, giving you more of that poke, giving you more of that kind of monster lip look. You know, that's very popular right now amongst the tuner scene, a lot of those stance cars. So if we jump back into the wheel here, you're going to see a little more of a twisted kind of directional looking spoke. If we measure the lip, you're looking at about a 4-inch lip on this guy. Very good size lip on a 10.5. Yep, 4-inch lip on that one. You do have the gold rivets that go all the way around the face of the wheel, once again giving it that multi-piece look. Now, these are almost kind of like nut certs. They just kind of snap in. They do actually have chrome ones available on their website in case you want to go for a little bit different look. But what's neat about this one, of course, is with that vacuum chrome and that gold, giving it kind of a cool two-tone look to it. You do have a flush mount AODHAN center cap on this one, just a plastic cap that simply snaps in here. Now, this wheel is going to be available in 5-lug applications only. So you're going to see 5x100, 5x108, 5x112, and then 5x114.3. So of course that's going to unlock your Audis, Volkswagens, Evos, STIs, 370Zs. I've seen this wheel on S2000s. One of those styles that you can simply put it on a car and it just looks really rad. You know, not everyone's going to be in the market to get those expensive wheels, so that's where these guys come in once again at an affordable price to get a really sick looking wheel. Now, our 19 by 10.5 weighs in at 28 pounds. So for a cast wheel, pretty typical for that weight category. So let's talk about the finishes on this one. Now, aside from our vacuum chrome with the gold rivets, you're going to see 5 other finishes, which is pretty cool. Sometimes wheel companies only offer a wheel in maybe 1, 2, or 3 finishes. You got 6 to choose from. So if we run through those, aside from this guy here, you're going to see a all silver wheel where everything on the wheel is completely silver. They do a bronze face where then it's going to have a actual machined outer lip on it. You're going to see a gloss black with gold rivets, so very similar to this one. And then they also do a black vacuum. So instead of this vibrant chrome, it's a lot more of kind of a darker gunmetal style with those gold rivets on there. Another very cool color that you're gonna see is a gold vacuum. It's definitely a neck breaker, one of those wheels where just everything on it is gold. You got this big monster lip, really cool face. Definitely one of those wheels that has, you know, just kind of some presence to it. So that's gonna be another really neat color. Now, if you're not familiar with the AODHAN lineup, they actually have 4 different series. This one comes from the DS series. There are 6 wheels to choose from. Once again, the DS01. For more information on this wheel, or if you want to get your hands on it, simply click the link in the description or visit extremecustoms.com. You can see this style along with everything else from the AODHAN lineup. Make sure to drop us a comment. Let us know what you think of this style, or if you already have it on your vehicle and what your experience is with this style. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be bringing you guys more wheel reviews every week. Catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.